Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so in this video we are going to talk about trouble code P0746. Essentially, the code stands for pressure control solenoid A performance stuck off. Now, essentially, if you have this code, you're going to have a check engine light on your dash. Obviously, it's notifying you of an issue. This particular issue pretty much comes up when the transmission control module detects an issue with the transmission pressure control solenoid. Some automatic transmissions have more than one of these pressure control solenoids, and this trouble code is essentially for solenoid A. So the TCM essentially uses this control solenoid, this pressure control solenoid, to control a line pressure in your transmission. The TCM, or the powertrain control module, sets this code if the pressure control solenoid isn't working right, or if it's stuck in the off position. So essentially what happens is, if you get this code, it's a pretty serious code. It could mean a variety of things, and you guys might want to look for a couple of these causes. The pressure control solenoid could have an issue, and it might need to be replaced. You might have low transmission fluid. If you can check your transmission fluid, if you have this code, definitely check your transmission fluid. You could have a wiring issue, which is a pretty complicated thing to figure out. You could have dirty or clogged transmission filter, and if that's the case, you might want to change your transmission fluid and the filter itself. You might have a faulty transmission pump. You could also have a faulty transmission valve body. On top of that, you could have a clogged or restricted hydraulic passage, or faulty PCM or TCM. So if you have this problem, there's a couple of symptoms that you want to check out. Obviously, there's going to be a check engine light. You're going to have a lot of more issues with lower gas. You're going to get increased fuel consumption. The transmission, obviously, in this case, for the most part, it's not going to be shifting right, and the vehicle might also enter into limp mode just to keep this vehicle from further damage, and you might have an overheating transmission. Now, obviously, knowing this and what could actually cause this issue, if you have a P076 code with additional codes, it might give you a better understanding of what exactly is causing this issue. However, if you have a P076 code standalone, you might want to just look at some of these causes just to figure out what the issue. It's not the most simplest issue to figure out, especially in newer vehicles where you guys don't have a transmission transmission fluid stick to see where the stick is at. But in any case, good luck with this. Hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.